The Nintendo Switch is one of the most popular devices out there, and with millions of units sold, it has to have failed somebody, right? Like, you know, like me. So if you're one of the people who's had their Switch let them down, don't worry, because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fixed my Nintendo Switch. Let's get into it! It's Dev Warrior here, and today I spent a bunch of time and effort to complete one goal: fixing my Nintendo Switch. But first, I need to figure out how to fix my Switch. We need to find out what the problem is and why it's not working. We can't just go and grab a hammer and a screwdriver and fix my Switch. So I went to my good old friend, the internet. And as usual, Quora was very helpful. In the end, I came to the conclusion that it was the battery that was the problem, as it was a high voltage charger that led to my Switch stopping to work. Ignoring the fact that what I just said literally made no sense, you gotta realize how I had to weigh out my options here. I could spend the extra money on the battery and then have a high chance of it not even working, or just order the tools that I need to open it up and find out what the problem is by taking a look inside of it. Which one do you think I chose? The second one, of course. Nah, just kidding. I lack both the confidence and the dough to do that. So I cracked open my trusty toolbox and it worked perfectly. So I ordered the basic tools off of Amazon and got to work. Upon further inspection, I found that the issue really was the battery. I mean, look at the wires, it's all teared up and stuff. So I ordered a battery replacement, but the one I got came with the tools. Meaning, if I would have just bought that in the first place, I would have saved myself a whole 80 bucks. I wanted to order the battery off of Amazon, but the only shop that had it was Desert Cart. It said it would ship, which was already long enough, but then it also came a week late. I probably should have taken a hint from all the Reddit pages out there, but I was desperate. I mean, they were the only ones who had it, so Desert Cart it was. But seriously, guys, yeah, don't use Desert Cart. Don't do it. But I was lucky because mine actually came. Hey, at least it came in a box. Felt a lot more premium than some of the other options. Noon. Take notes. But here's the actual package itself.
Spudger.
Come on, it was a spudger. Time for the unscrewing of the screws. A second time, might I add.
Alright, I finally removed this little, you can probably see it, I've removed the little cable there with this spudger thing. So now I guess what I'm gonna do next is I've got to hair dry on this thing.
Okay, the time has come to heat up the Nintendo Switch battery, to loosen up the tack under it and rip it out. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah, I'm not going to go and kill your ears by playing the sound that the hairdryer made. It's probably the only noise that's more painful than my voice. Removing the sticky tack from under the battery was pretty hard, but I was able to get it done.
but it's out. So now we can put in the new battery. I really hope this will work, and I also really hope that I don't mess this up, because if I do, it will be pretty embarrassing. Listing says it's HAC003. I think mine is HAC001. Actually, no, it's 003. 001, I think, are the newer ones. Anyways, I'm just gonna try to snap this in here, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So if my camera decides to just die right now, it's not like 1%, but if it decides to die right now of all time, yeah, I'm gonna be pretty mad. Not gonna lie. What? Let's see if it turns on now. Oh, look, it turned on. It turned on.
Yeah, Wiz, we can see that.
Yo.
Yeah, I succeeded. I had fixed my Nintendo Switch. Only thing left to do now was to put it back together and put a sticker over the Nintendo logo so now Nintendo can't sue me when I try to put Android on this. But I, Dev Warrior, a 13-year-old, had successfully fixed a Nintendo Switch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And with that being said, I'm Wiz the Dev Warrior, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.